Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to present my video assignment one. So, we're going to explore how we can help students to write better opinion essays by using three powerful tools: the self-assessment, the formative assessment, and the peer assessment. So, these techniques not only improve writing, but also encourage students to become more independent and reflective learners. So, first, we have the self-assessment techniques. So when teaching students to self-assess their opinion essays, I start by giving them a simple checklist based on our course guidelines. For example, the organization. They have to ask themselves if their essay have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. So all the parts of an essay, or the language use. They have to check if their essay has a correct grammar, a varied vocabulary, or linking words. And finally, the ideas, they have to check if their arguments are clear or if they are supported with examples. So this way, I train students to read their draft out loud and compare it with the checklist. So after this, we will mark areas where they will need some work. So this way, students take responsibility for their own progress instead of relying only on the teacher's corrections. Next, we have the formative assessment strategies. So this happens while the essay is still in progress. For example, during the drafting stage, I might look at the student's introduction and give feedback like, your opinion is clear, but your first supporting reason could be stronger, or something like you use good linking words here, but try to add more variety in your vocabulary. So I make sure that my comments are specific and actionable so students know exactly what to improve. By focusing on organization, language use, and idea development, we're helping students to make meaningful changes before the final version is submitted. Next, we have the peer assessment integration. So I think this is a great way to build collaboration and reflection in the classroom. I organize it by pairing studies and having them exchange essays. They use the same checklist as for self-assessment, so this way the criteria keeps consistent. So while reviewing, each student writes at least one positive comment and one suggestion, just a suggestion, not a critic, for improvement in each category. This activity not only gives them the different perspectives on their own writing, but also develops critical thinking as they analyze a peer's work. So finally, we have the overall impact. So finally, in conclusion, combining self-formative and peer assessment creates a complete learning cycle. Students start by reflecting on their own work, then get teacher guidance to make targeted improvements, and finally they learn from their classmates' perspectives. This blend builds confidence, independence, and a sense of teamwork. So this way we're turning essay writing into an active, engaging process instead of a one-time task. So thanks for watching. This will be all.